Fucking ride on lawnmower, bro.
At fucking McDonald's. Sammy. What are you doing?
I'm just playing.
Okay. Oh, no, look at this. You're already scraping up against the side. Look at that. What is this line? Look at those lines. That's bad. Too fast. Too fast.
Oh, that's for a second I'm going to try and open it. That's better.
Too fast. Too fast. Fast, too furious. Don't go too close to that. Don't go too close, bro. Here, have some of that. Oh, you fucked the lid. See?
What? Who? Sam fucked the lid.
Oh no.
What happened, bro? Holy fuck.
Yeah.
DIC'd for this shit. Imagine that on the fucking court conviction charge.
And this has got.
DIC'd for driving a fucking ride on through the drive-through.
Can you hold this?
Yeah, oh, you changing sentences, bro?
No.
No. I'll do a bottle, bro.
And then smash the bottle. That's all good, eh? Smash the bottle.
Can I have the
Chewies.
Oh, you dick, you haven't finished it. You fucking weird. Says it's fucking empty and then fucking...
You dick!
You pissed yourself, have you, Matt?
Wait, you need to use that bottle.
Zoom.
Oh,
You're not going to believe what I've done, but I've cut my finger.
oh you.
You're an idiot.
Please tell me this.
A broken bottle. And still not open. Like that.
I can
No.
hear it.
Something to open it in there, bro. Chuck it out. I'll ask for a knife or something.
One of those plastic
They don't
knives.
have knives in there. I
Yeah,
would
they
have
do.
in there.
Plastic knives.
Hey, bro, do you have a lighter or something, man? Nothing, cuz? It's all good, bro.
Oh, try to use my glasses.
Nah.
Try
They
to
won't
use your
work.
glasses then.
Okay.
How long's this video? Donuts. Like that.
Me.
Oh, fuzzy.
Get the lid a little clean.
Don't you worry about me, bro.
Just sliced up hand.
Just fucking, yeah, a bit of a sliced up hand.
Have a look.
Nah, it's all good.
Just put some milk on it.
You don't want to see that shit.
Why? You're a cock.
I'm so sorry, man.
I'm gonna throw rocks at you.
Filming this.
Oh, this is wonky. Yep.
Filming it.
Yep.
Hello, Bradley's film camera.
You're a dick. Whoa.
What's your old
Sam.
lady gonna say, bro, about us taking
Mine.
her fucking ride on to the fucking McDonald's?
Well, let's just not tell her.
She'll probably hear it. Well, I get
What are you getting, bro? Triple cheeseburgers. Oh, that's the go-away triple cheeseburgers.
I got a
Fuck yeah.
Okay, if she asks, I was never here, okay?
You were, bro. You were provoking the whole thing.
We're telling my mum. I'm telling.
Okay, bro. You don't want to ride to where we get off. All good, man.
There you go.
Sweet as, bro.
There's a rock. I'd hold that.
Jason, you need a haircut.
Yes.
Need a what?
Here,
Tell
isn't.
Jason
Chuck
he
it
needs
in.
a haircut.
Jason. Need a fucking haircut, cunt. Alright? Get a fucking haircut, cunt. I'll fucking shave it off for you, cunt.
Grab the bottle. Grab the bottle. Don't worry, I cut my foot open on the way over.
Oh, me? That's it?
It's just sprinkled.
Put some alcohol in it.
Oh, look who's behind us. Hello, car. Hello. It's a hobo. It's a hobo. Give me my food. And your drink, your drink.
You carry the food? You want me to carry the bottle?
Yes. I got the food, yep. Oh, crap. Use your gear lever, you idiot.
Yep, I got us.
Oh, let's see.
Yep. Oh, yes.
What's the time?
We have successfully achieved Rebecca's run at 12.
We have successfully achieved the Macca's run at 12:30.
It's
Fucking right on with Bradley fucking Parrish
The
and
loose
Samantha
cunt.
Parrish.
The loose cunt.
Fucking down, bro. We all know.
I can't.
Jump on.
Yeah, I'll flip those guys there.
Yep, done. Are you ready?
Hold on, bro. Let's go.
Bill move! Oh, fuck! Don't worry about me. Someone spilled their drink on the floor and I'm feeling it.
No, my God. Fucking son.
Cookie time! Oh no. I'm out.
There you go. I'm down totally. I'm standing up too, cuz.
You can't.
Oh, wait.
We have to. Hello. Hello, bakery. Hello. Hello, everything. Oh, fuck. Ow! So many rocks. We're still not good on though. Watch out for that.
Oh, thanks, Bradley. Crossing over.
No cars.
No cars.
You're safe. Beautiful.
No boats. Now what's that? Why, yeah. There's no way to hold it. No more hiding. I don't wanna be.
This is me. Yeah, fuck, that's a main song, eh, bro?
I think I can hear you over there, but it's loose. Loose as fuck.
Yeah, fuck yeah, bro. We're loose cunts, bro.
We are loose.
We're fucking loose.
I mean,
This is the real. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gotta let the light shine on me. Now I know who I am.
There's no way to hold you in. No more hiding
Who I want to be. This is me. Yeah, fuck it, bro. This is me, bro. You can't stop me, bro.
oh yeah. What?
Nah, you know me, bro. I stand, bro. Oh, fuck, secrets, bro.
Fuck you, bro. Neither, bro. I don't have any.
Nah, fuck, shot, bro. Shot Bradley, both for joining us, man. You're the man, bro. No cars, eh, bro? Nah, well, bro. I'm just trying to be safe, that's all, bro.
Yep, all good, man. We're all good.
Thanks, man. Run, run, run. You're the voice I hear inside my head. The reason that I'm singing.
I need to
Find you. Gotta find you. Yeah, fuck, it's a main song,
I love this world. What is the world coming to?
Fucking no.
Hey, hey, since the world's ending, what are you doing?
I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on.
The world's ending, so who gives a fuck?
Who I am. Ain't no way to understand. No more Go to the shop there, bro. Go to the stand, bro. Back to here, bro.
Oh, shit.
Stop it!
Go to the cars. Are there any cars? No cars. Remember, we have to stop before we get up to the house.
Yep.
We have to stop before we get up to the house. La 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 la. YOLO, motherfucker! You only live once, motherfucker! Christmas lights! Love you, Santa! Even though I don't. Turn this down on the fucking thing. I've had this guy for 11 minutes. No, still going. I am. You're a bunch of homos. I'm fucking running. Stop. Stop the lawnmower. I think this is where we should stop it. I'd watch out on this lawn right here. It's a little bit of a prickle.
Good call, Brad. Good call, Brad.
Where are you? I'll steer it.
You steer, bro. I'll pull it, bro.
Bradley, you pull.
Actually, no, I'll push, bro.
I'll push.
I'll push first.
Okay. Good to drive. Drive properly, Sam. The alcohol's getting to you.
Sam doesn't drive into other things, bro. She's really good.
I don't drive on
You don't drive unless you're drunk.
Sam doesn't drive drunk. I've never ever seen him drive drunk all my life. I don't see it, but she didn't text and drive, bro.
You'll lose that bet.
Texting and driving?
Yep.
Real? I've never seen you texting and driving. I'm never driving.
Go down on the grass.
Wow, that's pretty hard, bro. On the grass, bro. Go right down the process.
Yeah, you can go like
push it.
I will turn. We're still with you.
It's alright.
Keep on going, Sam. You can go, like, slow down, you're gonna crash. Told you. Slide it down. Got it. Got it. I have your phone.
A Mecca's run. Oh, right on, fucking lawnmower.
Hey, movie's still going. Look, movie's still going.